Hey guys, I have a new vine leaf pattern for you today that will show you how to create this pattern using 10 strings. I've created a few vine leaf patterns in the past. If you'd like to check them out, please see my playlist labeled Macrame Flower and Vine Patterns. Okay, let's get started. For your setup, cut 5 pieces of string, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using a lark's head knot. Using the inside right cord as your filler cord and the inside left cord as your working cord, tie a double half hitch knot working to the left. Using the same 2 cords, tie another double half hitch knot, but this time working to the right. Again, using the same 2 cords, tie one more double half hitch knot working to the left. Using the same filler cord, tie 4 more double half hitch knots working up and to the left. Using the same filler cord, tie 4 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat those 2 rows 2 more times. Use the next cord on the right as your filler cord, and the cord on the left that you were just using as your filler cord, use it now as your working cord. Tie a double half hitch knot working down and to the left. Using the same cord as your filler cord and the same cord as your working cord, tie a double half hitch knot working down and to the right. Create another leaf on the right side of your work using the same steps as you did on the left side of your work. I'm going to show you a slight variation that makes the leaf a bit smaller. Feel free to use either or both when creating your vine leaf pattern within your work. Instead of tying 4 double half hitch knots per row, I'll tie 3 double half hitch knots per row. Using the same filler cord and the cord on the left as the working cord, tie another double half hitch knot. Using the same filler cord and the cord on the left as the working cord, tie another double half hitch knot. Use the cord on the left as your filler cord and the cord you were just using as your filler cord to use it now as your working cord. Tie a double half hitch knot working down and to the right. Using the same filler cord and the same working cord, tie another double half hitch knot working down and to the left. Continue creating your vine leaf pattern until you've created a piece of your desired length. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.